honestly, you let me put it on YouTube and you pay for the actual wrap, I'll do it for free.
Really?
Yeah.
If you buy me a cock ring, I'll do it for free.
Fuck, I'll just give you one.
Oh, fuck. She's quality, man.
Oh, yeah, totally.
Yeah, no, she's quality.
Every time I pull up at a light, people are intimidated. Yeah. No, the weight reduction is right here. That's the weight reduction. $600 for the car and
that's mine.
$300 for all the shit on it.
Really?
Yeah.
It's worth it.
Well, I mean, this alone, which it looked better before it fell apart, was I think $60 for the wrap, which covered the roof, the lights, and I have a little bit left over. That fucking thing was like $40. I couldn't believe it.
You need to like super final.
Yeah.
Does it fry? Does it fry though?
Pardon?
Does it fry?
Oh, free. Well, I know what your next modification would be.
Yeah.
I'll take inspiration from my color's rattle can black, alright? You rattle can the hood black, alright? You get a China marker from Tim Hortons, I swear to God, and you write Hoonigan and Civic right on the hood, just like his Acura was. I swear to God, it'll look funny. And then put VTEC logos on it.
Yeah. Actually, you know what? If I could find VTEC decals, I would put that all over this fucking thing, because VTEC's the way to go.
Oh yeah, do an SI veg, yeah.
But no, the next thing I've got is I had ordered one of those little spool whistles that you put in the tailpipe,
Yeah.
but it's been like 3 months, so I don't think I'm getting it.
I ordered one of them for my buddy in
Yeah.
But
The next thing, I've got a few 2x4s.
Yep.
I'm gonna cut them, paint them red, and put a spoiler on.
Yes! The table has to be out of the
But you gotta come check out some of the extra shit I put on, okay? Not only did I V8 swap it, it's 4x4 swap.
Oh yeah, right
Yeah.
on. Yeah. 88 LS4. I knew this car looked familiar. I fucking knew it. That's Marshall's old car, man. It's like, what the fuck?
It looked good for about 30 seconds, and then I started driving it and just started to come off.
Fuck, you probably actually get good reception, man.
No.
No.
Well, this one's brand new and works great, but the cable doesn't reach all the way across, and I didn't feel like ripping it back out. This one is like 20 years old and doesn't work, so I get 1 bar.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Scratch.
Yeah, I'm actually surprised the exhaust is still there. Every time I hit a crack.
Axle, I'm serious.
Pretty much.
Just quality.
Well, friggin', it's not gonna be on for a while, but check me out on YouTube.
Fuck yeah. I'm down. Oh, fuck, that's awesome. You should get the orange ones. Just for fun.
If I weren't broke as fuck, I would.
Do it.
But
There's that APR that we were looking at. Yeah. One on Megs. Yeah. You know, straight up, what you could do too? Topic springs. That's free.
well, season 2 of Project Ricer, assuming that people like it when it comes on YouTube, I'm gonna probably try to get either a Neon or a Civic because they're more of ricey cars. But body kit, slamming it, you know, the big price stuff. That would have been an improvement on a Sunfire.
You should have passed it to me and Ryan.
It's gonna roll. Get it out of the driveway.
Hey, can we get both ends? Like a teeter-totter? Can you do it? Go! Oh, bottom. I love it.
Come on, you can almost slam the pipe. Keep going. There we go.
Hydraulics. Fuck yeah,
Friggin'
man. She's a lowrider.
I had a Mercury Grand Marquis for a while that had had factory airbags in the back, but the airbags were shot.
Yeah.
So when it drove, they'd fill up, but as soon as you turn the car off, they'd sit right down onto the ass.